Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The Revolutionary Guard Corps is Tehran's elite force that goes by the acronym and is made for many terror actions around the world. The current version of the text and what they are demanding drops it say to Biden administration official who spoke to SNN, noting the use her repeatedly and conditional rejected Iran demands so if we are close to deal. That's why the official dates. In our August 17 analysis on the Iran nuclear deal, we laid out impact the advancement, resignment of the Iran nuclear that would have on the oil market if Iranian oil returns promptly to the market. Analysis and insight there's a potential for Iran to bring some 1 million barrels per day to market over time. It could put commensurate weight on crude price over the coming months, said Omoya. Analyst been here before and he's seen talk fall apart, said Moya, with its little different this time is that seems the Iranians are willing to discuss the terms the Iran nuclear deal is referred the cold saying all price down to the low. So what will help cross price on a wage production cut? The Secretary General of the Organization of the Platform Exporting Countries hinted early this week that a cut Saudi Arabia before it allied with Russia and 9 other oil producers. The Action Apache Group has been raising production over the past year since slashing it from May 2022 in the aftermath of the conference breakout the dampened demand for oil. Will this year production hikes were intentionally installed by Russia's invasion of Ukraine, which sent crude to 14-year high of between barrel each March has become more vulnerable of late as market downtrend since a past production cut, but the really did not get very as dollar index jumped the next day to 5 weeks high, depending rise stacking in oil and the commodities. For the past 4 years since sanctions were on Iran has been trying to find the right strategy to deal with in the eventual return of Iranian barrels to the market, so John Kiddle, partner at New York Energy Hedge Fund Again Capital, a production can seem be natural course of action to ease Iranian barrels. If the finds balance in the market, yet who among a pace will cut? That's question. Saudi Arabia, Russia who will give up their market share. Iran refined nuclear deal could trigger greater competition among members for market share. With the return of Hungary and competition, Iran did curb market OPEC production's policy is we know it might see a radical change. One theory is that LNC individual members might produce more 2.2 capacity now is more likely at 2 million. Two other theory is that Saudis over and life brands to their long-time recall Iran convincing the Islamic Republic to join its balancing the market with rational production. This idea, floated as early February by Upch means to prevent instant rivalry for market share upon the end of the Israeli section. Since the pandemic, the Saudis have very carefully displayed the cuts and production gains with OPEC, but if Iran markets legal part return to the market, it will likely not precipitate and any OPEC cuts. There has been talk of courting Iran to make in convert to the studies of the rest in the group. However, I expected the urge annually between the Iranians and the studies prevail inside. West Texas Intermedia, the handmade for use crude did eventually trade on Friday after officially settling the season. The season high for was which Iranian would have given instead the most bump of the close as last been made down on the week. Bring the London Trade Global benchmark for crude did a final trade on Friday after setting the official session. Brent session high was which it failed would have given the global crude benchmark. For the week, Brent was down, as cold hot to as low upside is broken and a full-fledged sell-out sets in for the coming weeks, said Kumar Dixon Action. Going into toward a head fixes challenge from a continue or weak and shell moving average 4 weeks. If this zone is brushed squarely, we can see yokes. And this said strong number above bring a scenario where all markets should rebound toward. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.